Good morning, students. Today we'll study something regarding the egg membranes. The egg membranes, they are protective formation varying in structure that surrounds the eggs of most animals. So egg membranes are absent only in few animals whose eggs are capable of amoeboid movement, for example, sponges and certain coelentrates. So first of all, primary or vitelline membrane. Primary or vitelline membrane is produced by egg itself during the growth period. It usually consists of thin transparent layer. Sometimes it attains considerable thickness and is multi-layered. For example, in Ascaris and certain vertebrates. In most vertebrates, the vitelline membrane is striated by numerous radial canals and is hence known as corona radiata. It is known as zona pellucida in mammals. The canals develop during membrane formation at that point where the villi extend to meet the outgrowth of the surrounding cells. So here we can see in the case of the insect eggs, the vitelline membrane is present surrounded by the chorion. Some biologists believe that zona radiata is formed by matter secreted not only by the oocyte but also by the follicle cell. For this reason, they maintain that it is incorrect to regard the membrane as primary. The vitelline membrane is almost always present. Many eggs have additional, usually secondary membrane. Some eggs have primary, secondary as well as the tertiary membrane. So vitelline membrane is primary membrane which is secreted by the egg itself. So primary egg membrane is formed between egg plasma membrane and the follicle cell. It is formed either by the egg or the follicle cell, as vitelline membrane has been given different names in different animals. For example, in amphibian and bird, it is close contact with ooplasmic surface until the egg is fertilized, at which time it separates from the surface, forming a tough fertilization membrane. In fishes, it is called chorion. In reptiles and mammal, it is known as zona pellucida. Now coming to the secondary membrane or chorion, it is formed by ovarian tissue before the egg leaves the ovary. It is secreted by the auxiliary cell of the ovary or is formed by conversion of auxiliary cell into the material of the membrane. In insects and other arthropods, the chorion is permeated by chorionin, a substance similar to composition of keratin. The chorionin imparts toughness to the secondary membrane. Secondary egg membrane is secreted outside the primary membrane by a layer of follicle cells that surrounds the oocyte by the ovarian tissue before the egg leaves the ovary. It covers in the form of chitinous shell surrounding the egg in the insects called chorion. In this case, it has a micropyle for sperm entry. It may secrete female sex hormones as in mammals like membrana granulosa and corona radiata. Tertiary membrane. Tertiary membrane is secreted by the cells of the genital tract where ovum moves through the oviduct. The tertiary membrane includes gelatinous membrane of the egg of echinodermates, mollusk, fish and amphibian. They also include the tough protein membranes that are laid in the horny shells of cephalopods, cetaceans, the fibrous and calcareous shells of reptiles, the undershell membrane and calcareous shell of the birds. In many invertebrate, a tough tertiary shell called the cocoon surrounds the several egg. The cocoon contains proteinaceous fluid which serves as fluid tertiary membrane. If the tough membrane form before the egg cell, the spermatozoon unite special canals known as micropyle form. The micropiles enable the spermatozoon to reach the cytoplasm of ovum without any obstruction. So tertiary egg membrane is formed during the passage of egg in the oviduct and during the passage of ovum in the uterus. As the egg of the amphibian, three uniform layers of albumin, that is jelly, are deposited around it. These jelly envelope hold the egg together in masses and protect the egg from infection and make them unappetizing to the predator. So in this frog's eggs, you can see the outermost layer of jelly, which is the tertiary membrane. In reptiles, birds, tertiary membranes make up the envelope of the egg. External to vitelline membrane are added the white of egg, that is albumin, two shell membrane and a porous calcareous shell. So what are the functions? Egg membranes protect the egg from physical injury, penetration by microorganisms and parasites, and desiccation. In many animals, the sticky membranes or their appendages also serve to attack the egg to the substrate. Fluid protein membranes are used by developing embryos as nutrient matter. The separation of these membrane from the surface of egg during fertilization plays an important protective role against penetration by too many spermatozoa, and it helps in sperm adhesion. The membranes, they provide the protection to the content of egg of developing embryo from different ecological hazards also, like variable pH, temperature, radiation and pollution. So it helps in maintaining normal cleavage of the eggs. So egg membranes, they are very helpful.